What you're looking at here, that's the best preserved ancient Greek temple in the entire world. The Temple of Hephaestus in Athens. And we're going to be flying over it and walking around it. So, let's get started, shall we? Now, it's in the Ancient Agora of Athens. I've stuck links in the pinned comment telling you where it is, how to get there, and how to get the best tickets and tours. It's very old. Work on it began around 449 BC, but it didn't get finished until about 35 years later, and that's because money and workers were redirected to other projects, especially to building the Parthenon on the Acropolis. It's pretty big as well. It's about 105 feet long, 45 feet wide, and about 34 feet in height. Now, like lots of things back then, buildings were dedicated to the gods. And this one was dedicated to two, but mainly the Greek god Hephaestus. He was the original Tony Stark from the Avengers, if you will. He was the genius god of fire, metalworking, and craftsmanship. And it was also dedicated in part to Athena Ergani. She was the goddess of crafts and artisans. And that's a different Athena to the one the Parthenon is dedicated to. It was built on a hill that looked down on the Ancient Agora of Athens. Agora itself essentially means gathering place, assembly, and even marketplace as we come to know it now. And it was a massive area for shopping, for government meetings and discussions, for voting, for worship, and a place where thousands gathered to socialise. So essentially the Agora was the busy heart of the city. A one-stop shop, if you will, for everything important back then. And Agora is where we also get the term agoraphobia, which is a fear of open spaces or crowds. And the spot where the temple is, well, the ancient Greeks, they chose this for really, really good reason. And the area right below the temple was like a giant outdoor factory or craft fair, if you will. It was full of people who were making things, like blacksmiths, hammering metal, potters shaping and cooking the clay. So by putting the temple right there, they were basically saying, look, this is a holy building. It's for all you hard-working people down there. We see you, we honour you, and we're celebrating your skills and your businesses. So in short, I guess it was built in the perfect spot to be a monument for the working class people it was meant to represent.